Hello guys, welcome back to Technia Projects YouTube channel. So I'm here with a new video called as AI-based real-time flood and glacier melt alert system for India. So before getting into the channel, please like and subscribe our channel. So in this project, I have used real-time datasets to train the model and which really send messages or send alert to the people where there is really dangerous, for example for flood or else for glacier melt, something like that. So I have used GE and satellite real data set to train the model. So let me explain you how this model works. For example, see, this is mainly focused on this North India where Himalaya is there and also the surrounding part of Himalaya. If there is a rise of temperature or if the Himalaya this thing melts or glacier melts, there is a high risk of flood. So immediately there is a chances of risk for people's lives or their normal life, anything whatever it is. So for that there is a small alert system. So how this runs in the sense, I have trained model for last 5 years of data sets where it keep on comparing it with the current weather thing which I have integrated via API. So if there is a small thing, if it finds out whether there is a high risk here, it just gives the alert message through all the people in that area to the local area, and also it will show the simulations. Since the flood is like very normal, like there is no sorry, the weather is like very normal, it is just showing the normal thing, or else it will show you the flood risk level in the map. See, if it is low risk, that means if it is normal, it will be in green color. If it is in like medium risk, it will show the yellow color. And also it will, if it is like very high level of flood and all, it will show in red color. And also it sends the immediate alert to all the people. For that I have integrated Twilio just for as a prototype and also as an email. So for further integration and all, like if they want to deploy it in a proper way, we can just make it like a app and ask all the uh, people for installing the app and to use this so that they can get the risk. And see, these are the districts and villages and lakes near in that place, surrounding place. And also you can run the simulation giving here. And also as I said you that mm, it will check the current weather. So see, it will check the current weather and give you the average humidity, average rainfall, this thing and all. If it is really more, it will start the simulation, and also it will start sending the alert to the local people. And also this is a prototype which I have created. For example, if Dal Lake, if it is in high risk, there will be risk alerts like this, like flood alert, high risk detected in Dal Lake. So this message will go to the people for the whoever stays near Dal Lake. So this is about the project. If you have any ideas like this, if you want our help, just comment Techmia or projects, so that will be reaching you out and helping you out. Or else if you are really interested to this project, just ping explain or Techmia explain will be explaining you about and telling you about this project still more. Thank you. See you in the next video.